set, racing. Jesse started with Pusanggala. Drake quickly restart rushing at Marias at Aspire Magic. Sense of humor in between horses to the mark. Prime time. Mahiwaga comes next, then followed now by Count Me In. Mino Cutter comes next, then followed by number 10 si Barreto. Rochelle's Gift comes next, and going along for the first turn with Aspire Magic on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length and a half lead, and in second is Toda Mark Pusanggala. The sense of humor alongside, then comes Mahiwaga, Count Me In, Mino Cutter in between horses, now is si Barreto, then comes Prime Time, Don't Touch the Wine, Green Ladder comes next, Rochelle's Gift, Nobody But You racing second last, while Touch Magic no racing in 14th, and at the fourth turn Pusanggala now takes command by about 2 lengths. Aspire Magic moving up the rally inside si Barreto. Mino Cutter with Arias as they swing for home. Pusanggala by about 2 lengths. Si Barreto in second, then on the outside third, Mino Cutter down on the inside. Now his sense of humor, last 75 meters, Pusanggala by about 4 lengths, followed now by Green Ladder, and finally Pusanggala, Green Ladder, then comes si Barreto. Sense of humor, Don't Touch the Wine, Rochelle's Gift.
Okay, we had a spill there in the last race, but it's the top choice, Pusanggala, crossing the wire first. Looking between the legs na ito, si A.A. Rivera. Sa pasapit.